Now that we've got our straps, I would like you to turn to your fabric, put your fabric face, the front face or the fabric with the pattern, put that on the bottom or on the table face down. And what I'd like you to do with your pins is grab a bunch of pins, place them next to you for easy access. And what I'd like you to do, because it's 9 centimeters, the width of this fabric, what I'd like you to do is fold it in half, roughly halfway, like so. Fold it in half, like so, from each end. And then fold it half again. So folding it in half, and then we're folding it in half again. Again, we're folding it in half this way. And we're folding it in half again. What I would like to do, make sure it's nice and cozy and nice and tight. And put your first pin, watch out for your fingers. Put your first pin there. So now it's stuck into place. And you keep going all the way. So use your fingers, roll it in. You pin it inside, halfway, and half again. Every 10 or 15 centimeters or so, try to be consistent with being halfway. Every about 10 or 15 centimeters, put a pin in. And there you go. Again, do you notice how mine is starting to go not being half? This side is a bit thicker. Well, in the next one, I'm going to make sure this one is thicker. I want to be consistent. There are marks for consistency in this assignment. Do you see how it opened up? And look at that. If you notice that happening, this is no good. You have to undo it and redo that fold. Starting to come out again. So we've got to make sure that we are very consistent and very tight. As I reach the end, this is about a 20 centimeter gap. I'm going to see how it goes with doing it right at the end, folding it halfway and folding it half again. See how it pops out? Couldn't skip one. Every 10 centimeters or so. Even less if you want to be more consistent. Okay, and there's my first strap. This is the first one. Okay? Ready for number 2? Okay. Now that you've done both straps as consistently as possible, folding the 9 centimeter width twice in half, we place that on the edge or on the side of our workstation. Now, we grab our original fabric, the one that we first cut, template, and you're going to notice that where we cut, the material starting to fray. You notice the material is starting to fray like this. Look at this. Ready? To avoid this in our tote bag or bag that we're making, what we're going to do is we're going to adjust the sewing machine so that we can remove or eliminate the threading on all the edges of our tote bag. And to do this, this is what we do.